Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to add multiple desktops on your Mac. Now, suppose if you are working or if you're using multiple applications at the same time, or else if you're working on a project and if you want to manage your workflow, if you want to just make your workflow easy, then the best way is you can just add a particular window to another desktop. But how to do it? See, if you want to check how many desktop are in use right now in your Mac, then the best thing you can do is just simply press F3 on your keyboard, and if you point your arrow at the top over here, you will get an option of desktop. Now currently you can see only one desktop is in use. Now how to add another desktop? Before going ahead, let me tell you one thing, that how to add another way to go to that desktop panel. So suppose if you go to system settings and if you go to desktop and dock, on the right hand side you just have to go down and look for hot corners. Simply select hot corners, and over here you can just select the left hand side top corner, select the drop down and select mission control over here. Now what it will do is, if you point your arrow at the left hand side top corner, you will get to see that desktop panel. Basically that is mission control. Don't forget to tap on done. Now this time, instead of pressing F3 on the keyboard, all you have to do is just point your arrow at the top side, left hand side top corner, and you will be able to see this desktop panel, right? So this is one way to activate mission control. So as I was saying, that if you are using multiple application and if you want to move a particular window to another desktop, then in that case just simply go to this mission control or desktop panel and go and select this plus option. Now you can see we are able to see another desktop over here. So if you tap on plus, it will add another desktop. Now the previous desktop is desktop 1 and the new desktop is desktop 2. So if I want to use this particular window on desktop 2, then what I'm going to do is just simply click and hold that window and drag it to desktop 2 and leave it. Now this is desktop 2, right? You can see this window is running in desktop 2. If you want to go back to desktop 1, again do the same thing. Either you can press F3 or point your arrow to the left hand side top corner, and this is how you can go to desktop 1 and you can manage your workflow. One more thing, there is easier way to switch between desktop, and that is just simply go to system settings once again, and this time if you go to keyboard, then go to keyboard shortcuts over here and select mission control option. Now in mission control, again on the right hand side, you have to select the drop down for mission control, and over here you can see you get an option of move left a space and move right a space. Now I have set it to option plus left key, and for right I have set it to option plus right key. If you double tap on that, you can change the shortcut. Once you double tap it, you can press command and left key for left space. Again, if I double tap on the right option, after that command and right key. So this is how you can change the shortcut, and don't forget to tap on done to save it. Now if I want to switch between desktop, for now let me show you that I am on desktop 1. If I want to go to desktop 2, then I'm going to use command plus right key on the keyboard. Now it will take me to desktop 2. So again, if I go to mission control, you can see I am on desktop 2 right now, and if I want to go back to desktop 1, I'm going to use command plus left key. So you can change the shortcut over here in keyboard shortcuts. Don't forget to do that, right? You can set any other shortcut. You can keep it as option plus left key or option plus right key. And if you're wondering how to just close the another desktop which you have created, then again go to the desktop panel, and if you hover your pointer like this, or if you point your arrow to the corner of the desktop, it will show you an X mark. If you tap on that, the desktop will be gone, but the window which was open in desktop 2, it will be added back to desktop 1. Now I hope you have understood how to add multiple desktop. I have just showed you the example. If I tap on plus option, this is desktop 2. Again, if I tap on plus option, again this is desktop 3, and again if I tap on plus option, this is desktop 4. So you can add multiple desktop depending on your workflow, and to close it, just simply tap on this X option. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.